Chapter 9. Soil. Let's learn about soil, soil erosion, types of soil, soil conservation. Soil. Soil is the loose powdery form of the earth on which plants grew. Soil supports the growth of plants which provide food and oxygen to both animals and human beings. It is the uppermost layer of the earth. Soil is formed on the earth in a period of thousands of years. We know that millions of years ago, earth was not like it is today. Its surface was covered with huge rocks and boulders. Over time, these rocks started breaking up by the constant action of the sun, wind, rain and running water. Slowly and steadily, over millions of years, the rocks broke down to tiny bits and formed the soil that we see today. Infobit. Remains of dead plants and animals form a dark colored substance called humus. It makes the soil fertile. Types of soil. Depending upon the amount of different types of particles present, the soil is of three types. First, sandy soil. This type of soil has following features. It has large soil particles. It is grayish brown in color. It allows air and water to pass through. It is found in desert and on sea shore. This type of soil cannot hold much water. Clay soil. This type of soil has some peculiar characteristics. It is brown in color. It has very fine particles which stick together. It is found in ponds and riverbeds. This soil can hold a lot of water. This soil contains lots of minerals, salts. We use it for making pots, toys and kacha houses. Infobit. Plants like rice that need more water grow well in clay soil. Loamy soil. Loamy soil is considered to be a very good soil. It has the following features. It is a mixture of sand, clay and humus. This soil can hold enough air and water. Plants get sufficient minerals from this soil. It is the best soil for the growth of plants. Soil erosion. Soil has many layers. The topmost layer is called topsoil. It is the most fertile layer and best for farming. Sometimes this topsoil is carried away by strong winds and running water. This causes erosion of soil. The process by which the fertile topsoil is carried away by wind and water is called soil erosion. The loss of fertile topsoil makes the land unfit for farming. Soil erosion is caused by strong winds and heavy rain, deforestation, cutting down of trees in large numbers, growing same crop again and again in the same field, overgrazing. Deforestation. Infobit. We must prevent soil erosion. It takes about 500 years for nature to make 1 inch of topsoil. Soil conservation. Plants get most of their nutrients from the topsoil. Protection of soil from erosion is known as soil conservation. There are certain steps that we can take to conserve soil. More number of trees should be planted to replace the ones that are cut down. Trees and bushes should be planted in open kinds. This practice does not allow the wind to blow at full force and take away the topsoil. Planting trees. We should grow different types of crops in the same field to maintain the fertility of the soil. This is called crop rotation. Floods cause soil erosion, so dams should be made to stop floods. Step farming and construction of embankments help to stop soil erosion. Grazing animals like goats and cows should not be allowed to graze on the same area of land continuously for a long time because overgrazing reduces the fertility of soil. Infobit. When grazing animals like sheep and goats are made to graze on the same area of land or for a long time, it is called overgrazing. Key points. Soil is the loose powdery form of the earth on which plants grew. There are three different types of soil: sandy, clayey and loamy. Loamy soil is the best for growing plants. Soil contains minerals, humus, air and water. The process by which the fertile topsoil is carried away by wind and water is called soil erosion. Protection of soil from erosion is known as soil conservation.